Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just want to be prepared for any situation, having the right gear can make all the difference. In this video, we're going to show you 15 survival gear that you must have if you want to stay safe and comfortable in any emergency. From wilderness survival to urban disasters, these gears will give you the peace of mind you need to handle any challenge that comes your way. Don't get caught unprepared and learn with us how to be a true survivor. So, without further ado, let's go! Are you ready to light up the night like a pro? Look no further than the GlowMind 12 Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Sticks. These bad boys are ultra bright and long-lasting, perfect for camping trips, hikes, or even power outages. With 12 sticks in a pack, you'll never be left in the dark. Not only do they make great flashlights, but they can also be used as markers or even signals for help. The bright green color is easy to spot and they can withstand rough conditions. Just bend, snap, and shake, and you'll have light in seconds. Trust me, these glow sticks are a must-have for any adventure seeker or emergency preparedness kit. Don't be caught in the dark. Grab yourself a pack today. The price of this is $15. Looking for a knife that can handle any survival situation? Stop seeking. Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Camping Knife is here. This bad boy is built to last with a durable stainless steel blade and a grippy rubber handle. It's perfect for camping, hunting, and even emergency situations. The blade is sharp, strong, and it will make easy work of slicing, chopping, and cutting. The rubber handle gives a secure grip even in the wettest conditions. However, this knife is not just a survival tool. It also comes with a built-in magnesium fire starter, a whistle, and a survival guide, which makes it a complete survival package. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're out in the wilderness or just need a reliable knife at home, Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Camping Knife has got you covered. Don't ever leave home without it. The price of this bad boy is $99. Take your tactical game to the next level with the Gerber Gear Downrange Tactical Tomahawk. This tough guy is built to handle any situation with its durable stainless steel construction and versatile design. It's perfect for chopping, cutting, and even breaching. The handle has a diamond texture rubber grip for a secure hold, and it feels solid in the hand. It's also lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around. But this tomahawk is not just a chopping tool. It also has a hammerhead on the back of the blade and a pry bar at the base of the handle, making it a multi-purpose tool. It also comes with a modular sheath that you can attach to your belt, making it easily accessible. Whether you're out in the wilderness or need a reliable tool for emergency situations, the Gerber Gear Downrange Tactical Tomahawk has got you covered. It's a must-have for any tactical enthusiast or survivalist. The price of this indestructible gear is a well-invested $239. When it comes to injuries, you don't want to take any chances. That's why you need the Rhino Rescue Medical tourniquets. These lifesavers are built to handle any emergency situation with their durable construction and easy-to-use design. They are perfect for stopping severe bleeding on the spot. These tourniquets are made of high-quality materials and have been tested and certified to be reliable and durable. They're also super easy to use, so you don't need to be a medical professional to be able to apply them. They come in a pack of 2, so you can have one for yourself and one for your loved ones or friends. They're also compact and lightweight, so you can carry them with you wherever you go. Whether you're a first responder, a hunter, or just want to be prepared for any emergency, the Rhino Rescue Medical tourniquets are a must-have. Don't get caught off guard. Grab yourself a pack today. The price of these are only $25. Ready to cook like a pro on your next camping trip? Meet the Oakview Portable Camping Stove. This little powerhouse is built to make mealtime in the great outdoors a breeze. Its compact and durable design is perfect for cooking up a storm and boiling water while you're on the go. The powerful burner heats up quickly and the stable base keeps it steady on any surface. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for easy transportation and storage. Say goodbye to cold beans straight out of the can and hello to delicious campfire meals with the Oakview Portable Camping Stove. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or backpacker. Don't let hunger ruin your next camping trip. Pick up this baby for a cheap $30. Would you like to be the ultimate survivor? Well, if yes, then Wayland Survivor Settler's Tool is for you. This bad boy is like a Swiss Army knife on steroids, packed with features to help you conquer the great outdoors. From chopping wood like a lumberjack to opening a cold beer like a boss, this tool has got you covered. Its durable stainless steel construction and comfortable handle make it easy to use for extended periods of time. Plus, it comes with a durable sheath for easy carrying and storage. This survival tool is the ultimate sidekick for your next adventure. Whether you're out camping, hunting, or just want to be prepared for any emergency, the Wayland Survival Settler's Tool Bushcraft is a must-have. Don't be caught in the wild without it. Trust me, you'll be glad you have it. The price of this is just $37. Now it's the turn of the Olight Balder Mini Weapon Light, the ultimate tool for any tactical situation. With its powerful 1200 lumen output and strobe function, it illuminates even the darkest environments. The durable aluminum body and shockproof design can withstand heavy use and rough conditions. The switch also has a convenient momentary on function and is easy to operate with one hand. Plus, it comes with a quick-release mount for easy attachment to your weapon. Whether you're on duty or just want to be prepared for any emergency, the Olight Balder Mini Weapon Light is a must-have. Don't be caught in the dark. Go get you one. The price of this light is $125. Prepare yourself for any situation with the VSSL Compact Adventure Tool. This sleek and durable tool packs a punch with its built-in flashlight, compass, and multiple tools, including a can opener, bottle opener, and even a ruler. Its waterproof and shatterproof design can withstand the toughest conditions. Plus, it comes with a durable aluminum casing for easy carrying and storage. The VSSL Compact Adventure Tool is a must-have. The price of this amazing gear is $194. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy, clunky water bottle on your outdoor adventures? Okay, then you need to get the VaultCan Titanium Canteen Kit. This wonder is made from the same material as spaceship parts, so you know it can withstand even the roughest terrain. Not only is it lightweight, but it's also tough as nails. The kit comes with a collapsible cup, making it easy to boil water and make tea or coffee on the go. The screw-on lid and built-in carabiner make it easy to attach to a backpack or a belt loop. So, whether you're climbing a mountain, exploring a remote jungle, or just taking a leisurely hike through the woods, the VaultCan Titanium Canteen Kit has got you covered. The price of this is $199. A game changer for any hammock camping enthusiast is the Imaya Hammock Underquilt. Made from high-quality, breathable material, this underquilt is designed to keep you warm and cozy on even the coldest of nights. It's perfect for camping, backpacking, and even backyard lounging. One of the best features of this underquilt is that it fits both single and double hammocks, making it versatile and accommodating it easily over the hammock. The quilt also comes with a convenient stuff sack, so you can pack it up and take it with you on the go. Don't let the cold ruin your hammock camping experience. Get the Imaya Underquilt. The price of this cozy gear is just $62. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just want to be prepared for emergencies, the Uncharted Emergency Survival Backpack has got you covered. This wonder is packed with essential survival gear such as a fire starter, water filter, first aid kit, 72-hour emergency food supply, and a multifunctional survival tool, ensuring that you have everything you need to stay safe and comfortable in the great outdoors. The backpack is designed to be durable, made of high-quality materials, and can withstand extreme conditions. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and comes with multiple compartments to keep your gear organized. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just want to be prepared for emergencies, this bag has got you covered. Don't ever leave home without it. It could be a lifesaver. The price of this bag is $62. Rain, rain, go away. Don't let a little water ruin your outdoor adventures with the One Wind Ultralight Sil Nylon Poncho. Made of high-quality, super lightweight sil nylon material, this poncho is your ultimate shield against Mother Nature's fury. Whether you're camping, hiking, or even backpacking, this poncho will keep you dry and comfortable no matter what. It's ultra light, easy to pack, has a hood, drawstring, and snaps for adjustments, can be used as a shelter, tarp, or even a hammock rainfly, and it's easy to set up and take down. It's machine washable and versatile. Don't let the unpredictable weather ruin your outdoor fun. Get your hands on the One Wind Ultralight Sil Nylon Poncho and make the rain your new best friend. The price of this is $34. Worried about trespassers or animals sneaking into your camp? Well, have no fear because the RemFly Perimeter Trip Alarm is here. This handy little device is a cinch to set up and can be placed around the perimeter of your garden, driveway, or any other area you want to keep secure. When those pesky intruders try to sneak in, the infrared sensor will detect their movement and sound a loud siren, alerting you and them that they've been caught. Plus, it's weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in the rain, snow, or any other kind of weather. Just sit back, relax, and let the RemFly Perimeter Trip Alarm do all the heavy lifting when it comes to keeping your property secure. The price of this undercover agent is $38. If you love being outdoors and want to be prepared for any situation, the Zune Load 2 Survival Shovel is a must-have for you. This handy little tool is not only compact and easy to carry, but it's also incredibly versatile. It's perfect for digging, chopping, sawing, and even as a hammer. Plus, it can be used as a hoe, axe, and even as a bottle opener. It's made of high-quality steel and built to last, so you don't have to worry about it breaking on you in the middle of your adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a reliable tool to keep in your car, RV, or boat, the Zune Load 2 Survival Shovel is a great choice. So don't wait any longer. Get your hands on the Zune Load 2 Survival Shovel today. The price of this is just $229. An excellent choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality images and videos of wildlife is the NextCam Trail 4K camera. This wonderful gear is a top-of-the-line option for capturing stunning photos and videos of wildlife. With its 46-megapixel sensor and 4K 30 frames per second video capabilities, this camera will provide clear, high-quality images and videos that you'll treasure for years to come. It also has a wide range of features such as night vision, motion detection, and time-lapse. The camera is easy to set up and it's durable enough to withstand the elements. It's also very versatile and can be used for hunting, wildlife watching, or even as a security camera. So don't wait any longer, get your hands on the NextCam Trail camera and start capturing some breathtaking shots today. The price of this bad boy is $140. That's it, guys. If you liked the video and found value in it, show us your support and give us that thumbs up. Don't forget to tell us what your favorite gadget was in the comments down below. And of course, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more great videos. It may only take a minute for you, but it motivates us and helps us to grow bigger. Now get out there and have an adventure!